We are in La Belle Spa in Silicon Valley, and we are here with Bella Schneider. It is your spa, your creation. This is Gretchen Christine Rossi. You may know her from television. We know that you're able to go get professional spa treatments. Maybe you are able to do so as well. Bella, you're giving us a chance to use one of your signature treatments at home.
Yes.
And it's a bunch of girlfriends with something on ice. I mean, how much better can it get?
Right? Well, first of all, I beg you not to break one of them and drink it. It's not going to work. But this is definitely one of the most amazing little tools to have. Why is that? Because nothing feels better than cold around the eyes. Do you agree with me? Okay. So just look at me. Just look at me. Okay? Close your eye. And it won't remove any of your eye makeup.
Really?
Really. And you know what? It drains the lymph. It lifts the eye. Feels so calming and soothing. If I did it for maybe 2 whole minutes, lift even her face with it, you would feel really a visual difference between the 2 sides of the face. And most people say, oh, do it on my other side.
Look at me. I'm like looking at it. And your makeup's still on right now.
One, I just taught a 16-year-old how to drive. You just took away all of that pain.
And you know, if you did it for a little bit, there's a difference. So imagine you're traveling and your eyes are tired and you're puffy and you wake up the next day, right?
Like today.
And what am I going to do? You know, any hotel has ice. You stick it on ice for a couple of minutes and you use the beautiful serum that comes with it that has caffeine and other ingredients that deplete the eye area, right? And you just naturally do that. Doesn't matter how you do it, it's all going to be good. You don't have to be professional. But if you just follow this,
and on the back of the box, chart,
it has a chart. Shows you how to do it.
Oh my gosh.
It would feel so phenomenal, but it also, you could use it over your makeup to set the makeup in.
Oh, that's interesting.
So as long as it's not wet and you really wipe it well, you could use it over your makeup. Right. Underneath your makeup, use the serum with it. Make sure that it goes on in, and even give yourself a little massage. And that coldness contracts the pores, contracts all the little red areas that you have around, and makes everything flow.
Do you see a difference? I feel, I don't know if you can see it yet, but I truly do feel a difference.
You can feel already just sitting there.
Yes.
That's amazing.
But see, it contracts the capillaries. So all the redness on the skin sort of becomes even. And it gives you a nice surface. You could put your makeup on, you could put your eyes on, you could do anything, or just relax and give yourself a little bit of a massage and enjoy.
Well, I have to tell you, one of the most frustrating things to me when I wake up is, and I'm sure many of you out there have this, is these bags and underneath the eyes.
And you know why? You know why?
Tell me why.
Because when we sleep, the fluid accumulates and builds up in those areas.
I just thought it was because I drank too much wine. Probably that too.
And you were worried about me breaking one open and drinking it.
Right? I'm just going to pour it right on my eyes.
I drink wine too.
I know.
And I have those at home.
Yes.
And so that's your best secret. Wine or no wine, regardless, it's going to happen to everybody, to some more than others. That is the tool that you want to use to just drain it.
I love it. I'm so excited about this.
Beauty Globes. Again, easy for us to use at home. An incredible tool. Thank you, Bella, for sharing your secret. And you, because I love you here.
Yay! It's like Christmas for me.
And you can have your very own Beauty Globes. They come with the serum, and you get them from Bella and us, your friends at theshops.tv.